Welcome to 90 Days Better. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to integrate artificial intelligence into your daily life? What all's out there, and where do we even begin? Over the next 90 days, we're going to explore the utility and benefits of using AI as a tool. From improving productivity and automating tasks to enhancing creativity and decision-making, AI has the potential to revolutionize how we work and live. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone curious about the future of AI, this journey will show you how to harness its power effectively. Artificial intelligence is more than just a buzzword, it's a rapidly evolving field with immense potential. At its core, AI refers to machines designed to simulate human intelligence and perform tasks like learning, reasoning, problem solving, and even understanding natural language. Over the past few years, AI has moved from theoretical concepts to practical applications that touch almost every aspect of our lives. During this 90-day journey, we'll explore various AI tools and platforms, helping you understand how to integrate them into your daily routine. By the end of this period, you'll have a solid grasp of how AI can be used to improve productivity, streamline workflows, and even enhance personal growth. Let's kick off the first week by exploring AI tools designed to boost productivity. Tools like Notion and Trello help you organize tasks, projects, and goals more efficiently. With AI's ability to automate repetitive tasks, you can focus on what truly matters. Another great tool is Grammarly, an AI-driven writing assistant that not only corrects grammar, but also improves the clarity and effectiveness of your writing. By the end of this week, you'll notice how these tools save time and reduce cognitive load, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. In the next few weeks, we'll delve into how AI can be used for automation and workflow management. Tools like Zapier and Integromat allow you to automate repetitive tasks by creating workflows that connect various apps and services. For instance, you can set up a workflow where every time you receive an email with a specific keyword, it automatically gets added to your to-do list. This period is about understanding the value of automation in reducing manual effort and freeing up time for more strategic tasks. By the end of week 3, you'll have streamlined several processes, increasing both efficiency and productivity. Moving into weeks 4 and 5, we'll explore how AI can enhance creativity. AI isn't just for number crunching, it's also a powerful tool for artists, writers, and musicians. Platforms like DALL-E and ChatGPT can generate creative content, from writing stories to designing unique artwork. Imagine having a creative assistant that can help you brainstorm ideas, write drafts, or even compose music. These AI tools don't replace creativity, but amplify it by providing new perspectives and speeding up the creative process. By the end of this period, you'll be amazed at how AI can complement and expand your creative capabilities. As we reach weeks 6 and 7, our focus shifts to AI in data analysis and decision-making. Whether you're managing a business or making personal financial decisions, data-driven insights are invaluable. AI tools like Tableau, Google Analytics, and even Excel's AI features allow you to process large amounts of data quickly and accurately. These tools help you identify patterns, forecast trends, and make informed decisions based on real-time data. By the end of this segment, you'll see how AI can transform raw data into actionable insights, empowering you to make better decisions, both professionally and personally. Weeks 8 and 9 are all about personal growth and development through AI. Personalized learning platforms like Coursera, Duolingo, and Khan Academy use AI to tailor educational experiences to individual learning styles and paces. AI can recommend courses and monitor your progress, all while setting adaptable difficulty levels to ensure you're constantly challenged, yet never overwhelmed. By using AI in your learning journey, you can acquire new skills more efficiently and effectively, turning every day into an opportunity for growth. In week 10, we'll explore AI's role in wellness and mental health. Tools like Headspace and Calm use AI to provide personalized meditation and mindfulness practices, helping you manage stress, anxiety, and overall mental health. AI can also help track your mood, suggest coping strategies, and even provide virtual therapy sessions. Incorporating these tools into your daily routine can significantly improve your mental health and emotional well-being. As we enter the final weeks of our 90-day journey, the focus will be on integrating AI into your daily life. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how AI can enhance productivity, creativity, decision-making, learning, and wellness. we'll discuss how to continue using AI to optimize your routines and explore future trends in AI that could further impact your life. From smart home devices to AI-driven personal assistants, the future of AI is incredibly promising, and staying ahead of the curve can give you a significant advantage. As we wrap up this 90-day challenge, it's time to reflect on the journey. What have you learned? How has AI impacted your productivity, creativity, and overall well-being? While AI is a powerful tool, it's essential to use it wisely and responsibly. By integrating AI into your life, you've taken a significant step towards becoming more efficient, creative, and informed. But remember, this is just the beginning. The skills and habits you've developed over the past 90 days can continue to evolve. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Thank you for joining us on this 90-day journey of using AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more transformative challenges. Our channel explores the power of habits and covers topics in all areas of self-improvement and wellness. Whether you're looking to boost your health, improve your finances, or just want to explore other positive habits, chances are we have something for you. After all, you could be only one video away from changing your life for the better. Until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.